Hello guys, let's talk about this motorized dolly that I've been using for some time. It works pretty fine with my camera. I have an Action 4. So basically here I need to adjust the angle that I want here. And then I just press a button here so the dolly starts working, okay? So let me just show here how it works. So here, for example, I have speed 5 that I can change here. When I press again, changes to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I just press a button here to go to this direction, okay? Let me just put an object here, for example, this water bottle. And then you see that the camera is going around the water bottle and I can film everything here, okay? I was recording a pretty big object with this dolly here and it works pretty fine. You just need to find here the correct center and then it goes around and records precisely, okay? It works pretty fine. And let me just press a button again. When I press again here, it stops. There we go. And I can go to the different direction just like so. So pretty easy to use. Let me just press here again so it stops. Let me just show more details here. For example, you have this one that goes forward, this one goes backward. Here you can just turn it on and off, charge the device here, and also you have extra control for some devices that you can use here, okay? And here you just adjust the angle that you want. You just get some zoom here so you see better. Or I can use this other camera. There we go. There we go. So you can adjust here the angle and then it's going to go around the way you want. Okay, so it works pretty fine. You can get yours on Amazon. I like this one and I recommend it. And if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.